Hi friends, welcome to today's session. Today we are going to discuss about a tooth related symptom, mainly abscess tooth. What could be the reasons for this abscess tooth and what are the major symptoms and treatment remedies? All are we are going to discuss about today. So don't skip this video. Let's go.
I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
What is called as an abscess tooth? An abscess tooth can occur and it may collect a pocket of pus that may create infection due to an bacteria. So an abscess tooth can occur only due to a bacterial infection that may create infection around your tooth and inside in your tooth. So this abscess tooth may occur due to mainly three types of infections. The first one is gingival. Gingival in the sense if you have any infection that mainly affects your gums. So it will related to gingivitis. And the second one is periapical. Periapical means if the infection that spreads to the tip of the root. In the sense mainly it will invade or it will spread through the pulp of the teeth or tooth. So if the pulp gets infected, mainly this pulp will contain blood vessels and nerves. So if there is any infection to your pulps, that will also spread the infection inside of your tooth. And the second one or the third one is periodontitis. In the sense, mainly the bones and tissues that will support the tooth may get affected. So these are all the major three types of infections or conditions that may cause abscess tooth. Who are all under risk for this abscess tooth? The first one is the person who is addicted to smoke, mainly a smoker, and the second one is maintaining a poor dental hygiene, and the third one is Sjogren syndrome or if you have a condition called as dry mouth, and the fourth one is if you maintaining or if you have any immune system related disorders that may also weakens your immune system and that will lead to this abscess tooth. What could be the major causes for this abscess tooth? It consists of mainly four types. The first one is if you have a tooth decay. A tooth decay in the sense that will cause destruction of the harder surface of your teeth, mainly enamel. And the second one is if you have any broken teeth or cracked teeth, that will also contains a bacteria that will invade your pulp and causes infection mainly inside of your tooth. And the third one is if you have any injury to your teeth, that will also causes this kind of accumulation of bacteria. And the fourth one is periodontitis, in the sense infection to your gums, mainly gingivitis. So these are all the major four causes for the occurrence of a abscess tooth in a person. What could be the other symptoms? The other symptoms including when you ate something too much hot or cold, you may feel pain. And the next thing is taste. Taste, mainly bitter taste can occur, and loosening of the teeth may also occur, and your gums may go into redness, mainly color changes, reddishness may be feel. And the next thing is your neck gland may go to a swollen. And the another thing you have to note that you may get a fever, and your upper and lower jaw may also go in swelling. So these are all the major symptoms that related to this abscess tooth. What are all the major diagnostic tests? The diagnostic tests including a X-ray, a CT scan, and a physical examination mainly through a proper inspection and palpation. And the next one is thermal procedure. These are all the major tests mainly used for the detection of your abscess tooth or any kind of tooth infection. And the next thing is treatment method. The first common treatment method is incision and drainage. In incision and drainage, your dentist will perform a incision that will helps to remove the pus and also helps to prevent the complications. And the next thing is root canal treatment. In root canal treatment, that will also save your tooth by removing the pus and filling the material to prevent another infection. So in root canal treatment, mainly this infection aiming to prevent the pulp infection. So if you found, or if you prevent, or if we can prevent the pulp infection, we can prevent the other complications also. And the next one is tooth extraction. In tooth extraction, if the one teeth is affected, maybe it will get a chance to affect another teeth also. So we have to prevent the complications and other infection to another tooth. So in this method, mainly a tooth will be extracted, and it will also helps to prevent the complications. And the last method is antibiotic therapy, mainly to prevent the bacterial infections. And the major complications for this abscess tooth is endocarditis, a infection that mainly causes to your endocardium, and mainly meningitis. And this meningitis will also cause, and it will also a complication for this abscess tooth. So you have to note that if you found any infection to your tooth, you have to visit nearby dentist, because this may also create a infection to your essential organ also. So that's all about today. Next day I will reach you with another topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.